In this lecture, we will quickly get familiar with the VS Code interface, so let's open it. And the first time you will open VS Code, you will end up in this welcome screen. This is the way it looks like. This is the welcome page, and this happens usually when you start VS Code. When you first open it, you won't have any file or folder open inside it. And you can tell this by this bar on the bottom. You'll see that this is purple on the main theme. This means that you don't have any bar. If we will open a folder, this bar will become blue and you will know that you have something opened in VS Code. But let's quickly explore the interface. As you can see, on the top we have the menu bar. Here on the left we have the activity bar. This main panel right here, this is our main workspace, which currently is empty. As I said, on the bottom we have the status bar. Currently it is purple. As we will open a folder, it will become blue. And if I will drag from the bottom, you will see we will have a panel. And this panel contains some contextual information about different points inside our workspace. Well, here, the most important point, in my opinion, is this activity bar, because this is the starting point of our activity. And the very first entry is the Explorer entry. If I will click on it, I will have the option to open a folder. Let's open a folder, just any folder which contains files on your computer. I will open the intro folder that is available as a resource for you. You can open any folder you like. And if I open this, you can see that now this bar becomes blue, which indicates that I have opened a file or a folder. Currently I have opened this folder, and we have now multiple options right here. We have the option to search, we have the option for source control, we have the option for debugging, and the option for extensions. And as time will go by and we will extend our VS Code installation and add extensions, we will have new entries right here in the activity bar. Lower down the line inside the activity bar, we have two important entries, the accounts entry. So we have the option to make an account and connect our account to VS Code in order for us to save our VS Code configuration. And with this gear, we have the option to manage our VS Code installation. And all these main views that I talked about inside this lecture, we can see them from the view entry right here. If I will go to the appearance entry right here, you'll see that we have this list of main components of VS Code. With this entry right here, we can turn them on or off. As you can see here, we have the option to have a secondary sidebar. We will explore this also further in the course. Let's now proceed to the next lecture and see how we can explore files and folders in VS Code.